The Aqua Elite 120 V3 is designed with a fourth-generation pump head, which ensures efficient heat dissipation and a longer lifespan for your CPU cooling needs. It features a stunning ARGB lighting system that syncs with compatible motherboards, providing a vibrant and customizable light show alongside effective cooling. Equipped with dual TL-C12BSV2 fans, this cooler offers powerful airflow while maintaining a low noise level thanks to its automatic speed adjustment based on CPU temperature. The pre-installed fans and included fan hub make the installation process straightforward, helping to manage cables neatly within your computer chassis. This AIO cooler is compatible with a wide range of AMD and Intel sockets, offering flexibility for various builds and easy installation with the provided accessories. Thermalright's Aqua Elite 120 V3 combines performance and aesthetics, making it a great choice for those looking to enhance their system's cooling and visual appeal.